yan. Anak pa naman ang dahil ng ipot natin.
Ano nga, nakakaloka. Oo nga. Next applicant, please. Educational attainment. Primary. Good elementary school. First honor. Second class. Very good national high school. Valedictorian. Tertiary. Very, very good university. Magna cum laude.
Seminar training attended. How to be a leader. February 2001, Manila. Leaders of Tomorrow. March 2001, Cagayan de Oro. Strategy and Behavior.
Wow.
January 2002, Batangas. Leadership Training.
Wow.
July
Ingat dito.
2002, Cebu. Revival Training.
Post ka muna, post.
Revival Training. January 2003, Basilan.
Affiliation in organization. Samahan ng leader. President. Leader daw. Organization. President. Leader society. Ang kapal ng MOOC organization. President. KTV, chairman. Kulang na lang fans club. Uy! Lakas ng dating! You're right!
Okay. Ano sabi